I'm Frank from Power Concepts. I want to talk to you about using OneDrive. OneDrive is a cloud-based storage system, and that might scare some of you and thinking, well, I'd rather have it on my computer, but let me just explain some of the benefits of it. So let's get started. If you want to get an Outlook.com account, just go to Outlook.com, and you'll see a chance here to sign up for a free account. If you already have one, go ahead and just sign in. When you arrive at your new account, by default it's going to arrive in an email box, but we're going to go here to the app launcher on the top left, and you're going to see all the tools that you have available. So we're going to go to OneDrive, and you're going to see a space where you can store folders and files. And so it's as simple as going up here and hitting the plus to add a new folder, add a new document, whatever it is that you'd like to do. When you arrive here for the first time, you're going to see maybe one folder here for your personal vault, maybe a desktop and a pictures. And don't think of this as a big box that you want to throw all your documents into, but think of it like you got two brand new 4-drawer filing cabinets. And the first thing that you want to do is identify the names of the drawers that you're going to put in and try to limit it to no more than 8 folders that you're going to try to manage all of your documents in. Now you can create subfolders underneath there, and we can talk more about that in file management, but at this level try not to have any documents and have only a maximum of about 8 folders. I made a folder here called clients, and I'm going to go in here. You're going to see that I've created a handful of folders here, and it's very easy for me to add a new folder. Click inside of here, add a new document. Really easy to do. I can click inside, and even if you don't have a purchased version of Word or Excel, you're going to find that you can use these online versions, and they're really quite effective and have a lot of tools on here. And so you can start adding pieces on here, and I can change the name of a file very easily. And then I just close it, and everything will be saved inside this document. Now the other thing that's going to happen with this is that I can go down here and I can get the OneDrive app. And when I get that app, then what's going to happen is it's going to sync these folders onto my computer. So because I have all these documents in the cloud, well, that's great because I can access them on the web, but opening up a browser and everything is so much more tedious than just opening up Windows Explorer. Well, let me just open up Windows Explorer. And you're going to see I have this OneDrive personal, and when I go to my clients, I have everything right here. And I can click in this document in here, and I can see the document that I was just working on. Here's my contract specs, and it opens up. I can make any changes that I want to make here. Notice that I can just close it because autosave is turned on. So I'm just going to close this, and it's right here. I can add new documents in here. And now I feel like I'm just working on my computer in my Windows Explorer, but all these documents are being saved instantaneously to the cloud. Later on, when I go back to my OneDrive and I go back to my client folder and I go to this folder, I'm going to see that those documents that I made on the cloud are already uploaded onto here. And I can edit in either place and everything synchronizes. If you want help with this, then you can just quickly click on here, and I can send a link off to somebody. And what's nice about this is that they're going to arrive, and they're going to be clicking into the same file that I'm working in. So I don't have to send them a copy and ask them to update it, and now I have 2 copies, but they're going to arrive in here and be able to just fill in this information on their own. I can see that Chantel has arrived, and she's just filling in the information. And this could happen while I wasn't present. So I could just be waiting for that, and everything would just happen. And so this is just an amazing benefit of this. The other advantage is that you'll be able to download the OneDrive app onto your Android or iPhone, and you'll be able to open up and check, edit, create just read any of the documents that you have in your OneDrive from your phone. So those are some of the benefits of using OneDrive. As well, there's SharePoint, of course. If you'd like more information, please feel free to contact Power Concepts. We'd be happy to talk to you about that. We have ongoing courses for the public, for if you have 1 or 2 people. If you need training for your staff, let us know. We'd love to help you. Thank you.